In this video, we'll demonstrate how the IDP solution will be implemented for the use case of objections. Please note that in this demonstration, only the IDP solution will be demonstrated. This solution is considered an add-on to the existing solution presented on January 16, 2024. This video provides a high-level overview of the solution. We have leveraged UiPath's RPA and Catonix Gen AI capabilities as a proposed solution. Citizens lodge objections on the Revenue NSW website. In doing so, they are also required to submit valid supporting documents. The bot has been designed to check whether the objections contain valid supporting documents and whether the documents are dated within acceptable limits. Now, let's delve into the use case description to understand how the bot operates in various scenarios. The bot checks for attachments in the objections. If none are found, it rejects the submission and prompts the citizen to attach proper documents. If attachments are found, they are sent to the Catonix platform for classification and validation. The Catonix platform checks if the documents are a valid handwritten objection letter, a utility bill, or a bank statement. Documents not of these types are treated as invalid. If invalid, the bot notifies the citizen to upload valid supporting documents. If the classification is successful, the Catonix platform creates a summary of the text and validates the date of the document to determine if it falls within the acceptable range. The Catonix platform then returns these details as an API response to the UiPath bot, which checks the date's validity. If the date is invalid, the bot sends a notification to the citizen requesting a recent supporting document. If the date is valid, the UiPath bot collates all the information and presents it in the Action Center for the officer's review. Next, we will discuss the assumptions and scenarios considered for this demonstration. Assumptions. The parking space levy is considered as the objection raised by the citizen for this demonstration. A utility bill dated within a range of 1 year should be attached as evidence for the objection to be registered. Scenarios. An objection is raised without an attachment. An objection is raised with an attachment, but the attached file is an image of a building. An objection is raised without a utility bill. An objection is raised with an attachment of a utility bill, but it is dated back in 2022. An objection is raised with an attachment of a utility bill dated within an acceptable range of 1 year. We will trigger the bot from the orchestrator. Please note that, in reality, this process would be seamless. However, for the sake of this demonstration, it is being done manually. We'll see a demonstration where a citizen raises an objection, but the attachment is missing. In this case, the UiPath robot will send an email to the citizen advising that the objection lacked an attachment. To register the objection, a soft copy of a utility bill received within the last year needs to be attached. This is the email that is generated and sent to the citizen. As you can see, the bot has immediately rejected the objection, and a notification has been sent to the citizen stating that the objection did not include any attachments. Additionally, the notification emails for the other 4 scenarios can also be seen in the citizen's mailbox. We will now see a demo of the second scenario, where a citizen raises an objection that includes an attachment. However, the attachment is an image of a parking lot. In this case, the UiPath robot will upload the image to Catonix Gen AI platform to fetch the document classification and extract the context. This will result in the identification of an invalid document. The UiPath robot will then trigger an email to the citizen, advising that the attached document is invalid and requesting them to upload a soft copy of a utility bill received within the last year. This is the input attachment used for this scenario. As you can see, it contains a random image of a parking lot. You can see that the bot has rejected the case and sent a message back to the citizen stating that no valid attachments were found in the objection. Now, we will see a demo of the third scenario, where a citizen raises an objection that includes an attachment, but there is no utility bill attached. In this case, since the value returned from Catonix platform will not have a classification of a utility bill, the UiPath robot will trigger an email to the citizen. This email will advise that the attached document does not contain a utility bill and will request them to upload one. As you can see in this scenario, the bot has validated the handwritten attachment, but identifies that a supporting document is not available in the objection. Consequently, it sends out a notification requesting additional documents from the citizen. Now, we will see a demo of the fourth scenario, where a citizen raises an objection that includes a utility bill attachment, but it was generated in 2022. The UiPath robot will validate the year using the extracted context from Ketonic's Gen AI platform. Since the bill is more than a year old, an email will be triggered to the citizen. This email will request them to attach a soft copy of a utility bill received within the last year. This is the handwritten objection letter attached as input for the objection. This is the utility bill attached as a supporting document in the objection. As you can see, the date period on the document is 2 years. The bot validates the date from Ketonic Platform's response and returns this case to the citizen, requesting a more recent document. We will now show a demo of the fifth scenario, a successful and valid case. Here, a citizen raises an objection and attaches a utility bill received in 2023. Since it falls within the acceptable range of 1 year, the objection will be registered in the Action Center and assigned to a case officer. In this scenario, the context extracted from Ketonic's Gen AI platform will be recorded in the Action Center to assist the case officer in making an informed decision. This is the handwritten objection letter that has been attached as input for the objection. This is the utility bill attached as a supporting document in the objection. As you can see, the date period of the document falls within the last year, which is considered a valid range. As the documents have been successfully validated, the details extracted from them are now presented to the officer in the Action Center. The summary of the handwritten objection letter has been extracted and is presented in the Objection Document Text section. The summary of the utility bill, along with data points such as name, address, and date, has been presented in the Supporting Document Text section. Based on the extracted text, the case officer makes a decision, provides remarks, and selects the appropriate button in the Action Center. Based on the officer's selection, the citizen receives a notification. In this scenario, an approval email is sent to the citizen. For the purpose of this demonstration and to showcase the capabilities of Ketonic's Gen AI platform, we are illustrating how a document can be uploaded and how the platform returns the classification and context of the document. Please note, in the implementation, Ketonic's API was leveraged within UiPath to pass the document to and consume the data from Ketonic's Gen AI platform.
So today I'll be giving a demonstration of IDP application. IDP is Intelligent Document Processor. So what is IDP? IDP is a technology where it is used to read certain documents. After reading the documents, it will give various analysis results on those documents. So after a brief introduction of IDP, I will like to show you how our IDP application looks like. So here I have made a Streamlit application where it looks like this and it gives you two buttons, about the app and the IDP usage. So when you go to about the app, we will see a brief definition about the IDP application. If you want to go forward and use the IDP, it will show you like this. So here we can upload a multi-page PDF. A multi-page PDF where each page has an image. And each image will be a document, a digital document that will be read and will be displayed with a set of results. So let's move forward and just drag and drop a file here. I have already made a PDF ready for this use case. I will also like you to see the PDF, how it looks. So this is a PDF. This is the first page that has cars image, second page that has a electricity bill document. This is the third page that is a handwritten document. So this is how the PDF looks, and this PDF is passed through our application for analysis. Going back to our application where I have already uploaded the same PDF, it is ready with the results. So this is the first page. It will also display the page that it is analyzing. First page, and it has the analysis result for page 1. That is its invalid document. So obviously if we can see, this is not a document. This is merely a picture that has few cars. So it gives invalid document in this case. Moving forward to the page 2, first it will display the image, that is the electricity bill, and below it we will find the analysis results. So in the analysis results, we can see the type of the document, that is the utility bill, the name that is extracted from this bill. Address also is extracted from the above bill. Bill period also extracted from the above bill, and a summary is produced. The summary is produced where it will give a short and brief about the electricity bill. It will also show if the electricity bill is valid or not. So we have kept a period of 1 year. If the due date is less than or equal to 1 year, then the electricity bill is valid. As you can see, 6th May 2023. This is the due date, and today is 19th Jan 2024. So the period is less than 1 year, so valid is equal to yes. This result show that this is a valid electricity bill. This is how the results look like. Moving on to the last page, it's a handwritten document. First, it will display how the document looks, and then it will give the analysis results below it. So we can see in the type, it's a handwritten document. Summary is provided. So for handwritten document, we have given the summary of what is contained in the document. As you can see, we have read the text from this image, analyzed it, and then given a short summary about it. So this was a demonstration of how IDP application works, providing it a multi-page PDF having digital document images. It goes on page by page and gives the analysis results. If it's an invalid document, it will give the invalid document like this, the result. And then for electricity bill, it will give a result like this, where it extracts certain essential entities and tells whether it is a valid electricity bill or not. In case of handwritten document, it gives a summary about it along with its type. So you can also upload a multi-page PDF to it, and you will get the results for each digital document contained in it. Thank you.